Hello, everyone. My name is Jessica, and I'm excited to be in class with all of you. So, the three assets that I would bring to class, I would say the first would be my work experience. I work as a case manager at a resource center slash drop in slash shelter for homeless youth and young adults. So, although I'm technically not a social worker, I do a lot of social work type things. And I noticed that we're studying how to do intakes and assessments right now, and I've done about 50 or 60 or maybe even 70 of those over the last year. So I have a lot of experience with that. I would say my other asset would be that I've taken a lot of professional training courses, including strength based approach, youth work, motivational interviewing, and harm reduction. So I have some basic experience with those approaches and can share what's worked for me and what hasn't worked for me and what's been easy to implement and what I've struggled with. And then I would say my third asset would be that I'm a strong researcher. So hopefully I'll be able to find cool articles and videos for our assignments and discussions and bring those sort of unique perspectives to our discussions. So yeah, thank you all so much, and I will talk to you later.